A controversial research paper is claiming that COVID-19 has split into two distinct strains and that it could be possible for persons to be infected with both. The research was done through a joint study by researchers from multiple universities in China. Andrew Laidley reports.
Scientists in China studying the outbreak of the novel coronavirus say they have discovered two main strains of the virus affecting humans. The researchers cautioned that their study looked only at a limited range of data and said follow-up studies or larger data sets were needed to better understand the virus's evolution. The preliminary study found that a more aggressive strain of the novel coronavirus associated with the outbreak in Wuhan accounted for about 70% of analyzed cases, while 30% were linked to a less aggressive type. They say the prevalence of the more aggressive virus decreased after early January. Suspicions heightened when this Australian couple, Karen and Jason Honey, both tested positive for the virus but exhibited completely different symptoms.
Karen's illness began with a few aches, progressing to coughing and a high fever. But curiously, Jason has no symptoms despite testing positive.
I've had no fevers, no coughs, no nasal problems, no aches, no pains, nothing.
So you're feeling fine?
Yeah, I'm fine. I've not had a single symptom of any sort.
The World Health Organization agrees that the novel coronavirus, like all other viruses, mutates or undergoes small changes in its genome. But not every expert is convinced a more aggressive strain exists. Other experts argue the two types the Chinese researchers claimed to have identified were a result of both normal viral mutation and errors in data that they were relying on. In the meantime, the researchers are warning that the effects of COVID-19 on the human body is like a combination of SARS and AIDS, as it damages both the lungs and immune systems. The World Health Organization says some people who contracted the virus will show symptoms, others will not, and 80% will recover without needing special treatment. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.